Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Ram Gorathe. I am from Ratnagiri. I have done BE in Electronics and Telecommunication from Mumbai University. My today's topic name is data type. First, we see what is data type. The data type is a set of value and operations. Define those values. Data types specify different size values that can be stored in variable. There are two type of data type. First is primitive data type and second is non-primitive data type. First, primitive data type. In primitive data type include int, short, byte, long, double, float, and non-primitive data type include array, classes, and interface. First, we see primitive data type. The primitive data type is the most basic data type in Java language. In that, first, a Boolean data type. The Boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, true or false. The Boolean data type use simple flag that track true or false condition. Next, character data type. The character data type is a 16-bit Unicode character. The character data type is used to store character. Next, number. Primitive data type number divided into two types. First is integer and second is floating point type. First we see integer. In integer stored whole positive and negative values without decimal. In that valid int, byte, short, and long. First we see byte. The byte data type is a 8-bit sign. It is a primitive example of primitive data type. Its range from -128 to 127. Its default value is 0. Next int. The integer data type is 32-bit sign. Its range from -2 raised to 31 to 2 raised to 31 minus 1. Its default value is 0. Next, short data type. Short data type is 16-bit signed. It is 2 times smaller than int data type. Its range from -32,678 to 32,677. Its default value is 0. Next, long. The long data type. Next, long. The long data type is a 64-bit sign. Its range from -2 raised to 63 to 2 raised to 63 minus 1. Long data type is used uh, when we need long values. Next, floating point type. In floating point type we use when we need decimal values. There are two types, float and double. First we see a float. Float data type is a 32-bit single 32-bit precision. It should never use in precious values such as currency. Its default value is 0.0 f. Next, double. Double data type is double precision 36-bit. It is unlimited. It also never should use in precious values such as currency. Its default value is 0.0 f, 0.0 d. Next type is non-primitive data type. The non-primitive data type is also called as reference data type because they are referred to object. Thank you.